myGEZE Connect is an application for commissioning and maintenance of GEZE automatic door controls. The connection to the drive is established via the new myGEZE Bluetooth module. The module must be paired when used for the first time. The user is informed via the application that the pairing still needs to be done. The first step is to press and hold the pairing push button on the Bluetooth module for 3 seconds. The pairing process can then be started via the pair button. Once successfully paired, the connection can be re-established at any time. Depending on the drive control unit, the application displays various functions and parameters that can be set during commissioning and maintenance. Possible causes of errors and corresponding measures are clearly displayed. The application can also be used in portrait mode, which is particularly helpful during diagnosis. Set parameters can be logged as a PDF file at any time. All door settings can also be saved as a project file, sent by email and transmitted to other door systems. Support, such as user manuals for the connected system, can be downloaded via the documentation tile. So you see, myGEZE Connect makes everyday service simply more efficient.